Error opening file for writing during installation on Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if you have maybe some kind of error whenever you're trying to install anything that could be over here. Now, to actually help solve this problem, depending upon what kind of file you have, right? So if it's an exe file or whatever, right click on that file and then just go to properties. From properties, you want to actually go to compatibility and select this option called run compatibility troubleshooter. After you've done that, you can simply try to go ahead and then run the compatibility troubleshooter. Now, next up, the issue could also be with the exe file that you're trying to install. It could be a corrupted file, so make sure that it is actually not corrupted and you can try to re-download again. Another thing you can try to do is you need to open up the run command by pressing the Windows and R button on your computer. Then over here, you need to simply type in percentage temp percentage. This will show up any of the temporary files that are inside of your computer. And these are all the temporary files that you don't need. You can select all by pressing Ctrl A, hitting the delete option and clicking on the continue button. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically delete all the temporary files. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them. Thank you for the end and see you in the next video.